Hi, this is Monica Bramlett, and in this video, we are going to discuss the zero property of multiplication. So the zero property of multiplication tells us that the product of any number multiplied by zero will always be zero. So we are going to look at today why this happens. Okay, so first I would like for you to let's go with 8 objects in front of you. So press pause, and once you have those 8 objects, go ahead and press play when you're ready. Okay, so now that you have your 8 objects, what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to take those 8 objects and I would like for you to make 0 groups of 8. So think about how would you take those 8 objects and make 0 groups of 8? Okay, so looking at these 8 objects, this is one group of 8. So if I'm looking at making 0 groups of 8, then what's going to happen is I'm just going to have 0. Because 0 groups of 8, there would be nothing there. Okay, so let's look at it from another view. Okay, so what I would like for you to do now is I would like for you to draw me 8 groups. Okay, so go ahead and let's place 0 in each group. So what we have done here, when we look at this, we could write an addition statement to represent our picture, which would look like this. So there are my 8 zeros. However, when I add all these zeros together, I still get an answer of 0. So through this picture, we could see that 8 groups of 0 is going to be 0. Just like above when we did the objects, we saw that 0 groups of 8 is equal to 0 because you cannot have 0 groups of 8 and have objects. Okay, so this applies to any and every number. So I want you to think if we were to draw 100 groups here. So we had 100 groups, and in each of those groups there were 0 objects. We're still going to get a product of 0 because there would just be 100 zeros there. And since multiplication represents a repeated addition, this rule applies for any number. So in this video, we talked about the zero property of multiplication and why the product of any number multiplied by 0 will always be 0.